Happy Saturday, everyone. This is Kendra, and today we are doing our May group play. We're finishing it off because I won't be doing this next Saturday. I'll be doing something else on Saturday. So until the June group play comes out. So I have my $25 here, and we are going to, the last Saturday I put my last dollar in here, and I colored these two off camera, so we're gonna put our $2 in here already. So we can take this page out. That's done. And we're gonna put our 25 on the calculator so I keep up with it. So let's roll our dice. We have a 4-sided dice, and we have a 3, another 3, and another 3. So we have $14 left, and I'm gonna grab my D6 dice to do down here at the bottom. So that was a 1. I can put it on top so you guys can see. Okay. We have 4. We have $9 left. Okay. We have a 5. And so we have $3 left. 2. So we have 1. So I'm gonna have to find an extra dollar to do this one at the bottom. So this came in second place, and this one came in first. Let me go find an extra dollar. I got it. I have it. I have it. Okay. So with my May group play, I could have finished these two at the bottom, but it's fine. So we have a total of, so in our group play we have 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, wait, oh my gosh. Let me see, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101. Okay, so that was the odd number. So we saved $101 with our May group play, and I don't have anything to, I think this can fit on there. It should be thick enough. Oop, maybe not. Maybe we should grab 2 of them just in case. So I probably recount it off camera to make sure it's $101. But my May group play is completed. Yeah. But $101 with a group play. I think that's a win. That's a win. That's a win. So, yay. Now I'm gonna have to start something else next Saturday. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I will see you guys next week. Okay, $101.